to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fifth question. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So they are only telling that number of lamps. So here number of observations, you can take it as 400. Simply n is equals to 400. Blindly you can go with this number whatever they are given first time. Then lifetime in hours, 1500 to 2000 hours. How many number of lamps are there? 14 lamps are there. Like that they are given all the intervals and number of frequencies. Find the median of lifetime of a lamp. So what is the median formula? So median, as we know, small l plus what is that, n by 2 minus cumulative frequency whole divided by f into h. F is the median class frequency, then h is the class length. So what is the h? Is not what? Class length. So class length will be, you can take it as any two intervals beside adjacent intervals, upper limits difference or lower limits difference. You can take it, always we are taking lower limits difference. Now this time we will take it as 3000 minus 2500. So what value we will get? 500. So class length is equals to 500. Let's move on to this. We're going to take this one in frequency distribution table. So let's write all the intervals. What are that? Lifetime in hours, that is 1500 to what is that? 2000. Then 2000 to what they are given here is 2500. So they are given exclusive class intervals, no need to continuous classes they are given, no need to convert this into normal things. So here 3000 to 3500, then 3500 to 4000, then 4000 to what you can say here is 4500. So how many are there like that? So 4500 to 5000. So these are the lifetime in hours. Number of lamps they are given that 14, 56, then 60, then lamps how many are there? 86, then 74, then what is next one? 62, again 48. So what we can take it here as the cumulative frequency less than cumulative frequencies, we are going to add it this one. So first value as it is, then 14 plus 56, what we will get it here as 70. So 70 plus 60. So for this we are added this one next value, 70 plus 60, what is that? We will get it as 130. Then 130 plus 86, 216. 216. Then what is next one? 216 plus 74. So we will get it as 290. So 290. Then 290 plus 62, 352. So what we will get? 352 to 48. We will get 400. So this is the values. As we know that telling that small n is equals to 400. So let's going to write small n. What is the value here? N they are given, this is the n value. So n is equals to 400, then n by 2 will be equal to 400 by 2, then we will get it as 200. So in the cumulative frequencies we have to check it, 200 from where we will get it. So 130 and 216. So it is in the form between these two, then 130 less than 200 less than 216. So as I told, we have to go for the median class 216. Let's move on to this. So 216, we have to check it 216. This is the median class. So this is median class and this is the frequency. This before itself is the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is before the class, what is the given. So let's going to write the median class is equals to 3000 to 3500. Then what is the lower boundary of the median class? That is 3000, that is small l. The number of observations is 400. Then cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency is equals to what? 130. Then frequency of this 86. Then class size we can take it as 500. So these are the values. Let's going to substitute these values in the formula. After that we can calculate the median. So let's going to write the formula of this. So what is the median formula here as? The median will be equal to small l plus, so median will be equal to small l plus n by 2 minus cf whole divided by f into h. H is always constant at the right side multiplication. Small l is addition with the remaining factors. So small l already we know that is 3000. So let's going to substitute 3000 plus n by 2 is nothing but 200 minus cumulative frequency 130 by 86 into h is equals to 500. So what is this value? Then 3000 plus 200 plus what is that? 70. We will get 70 into 500 whole divided by 86. So let's going to cancel with 2. So 2 4s are 8, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So that is the value. 43 with that anything is possible? No, it's not possible. Then 3000 plus 35 into what you can take it here is 35 into 500. What answer we will get? 17,500 whole divided by 43. So that will be divided with 43. We will get is that 3000 plus. So this one will going to cancel with this 43 ones are then 43 406.97. So if you do cancellation with the 43, we will get this answer, that is 406.97. we will get approximately 97 is nothing but 98, then 3006.98. So we will get this next one is also 9676 like that. Then approximately this is the value of number of hours. So the median hours for the lamp is equals to 3406.98 hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.